Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Zipis and I'm back with another video. I'm just going to go right ahead into this video without wasting your time. So I already showed you guys my eyeshadow brush and my concealer, and I'm going ahead to prime my eyes, or to prep my eyes for my eyeshadow. So this video is an eyeshadow tutorial for beginners. Okay, soft colorful eyeshadow tutorial for beginners. So I'm going ahead to put my concealer all over my eye to just create that base. Okay, after creating that base with my brush, I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend out that concealer very well and just blend the outer corner of my eye. Then I'll go into my Lady Flora multicolored eyeshadow palette. Look at that palette, guys. Then I'll go into this very dark ox blood color. So I'm just going to use that to contour my eye. So I'm just packing that onto the contour area of my eye. You want to put this gently, you don't want to spread it all over your eye, because these dark colors just have a way of, you know, spreading easily. Then I'll go into this orange shade and I'll use that as my transition. I'm just going to go ahead and blend in that hash line that I have there, created by the ox blood color, and I'm using a different clean fluffy eyeshadow brush to do that. So you want to make sure you blend everything. Okay, you don't want hash lines on your eyeshadow. That is actually like the key to flawless eyeshadow. No hash lines, no hash lines. So what I'm going to be doing practically is I'm just going to be putting some colors onto my eyes, following a crease pattern, but I'm not cutting a crease. You guys just see what I'll do. Then I'm going into this deep purple, is it deep purple, I don't know, purple shade in my Lady Flora palette. Guys, this palette is pigmented and it has almost all colors available at Z Face Beauty store. So I'm just packing that onto the middle part of my eyes, and I'm just pressing that using a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'll go into this lighter shade of pink and I'm going to go ahead and fill in the rest of my eyes, moving in towards my inner tear duct. So basically the key to a flawless eyeshadow is blending properly and using different eyeshadow brushes for different colors of eyeshadows that you use. Okay, so I'm going back into that contour color and I'm just going to blend in all those three colors that I have there together, just to make sure that you don't see anything going on there, but you're going to see colors but you don't know what is actually going on. That's how you want your eyeshadow to be. Then to give my eyes some definition, or to line my waterline, I'll be using my Million Pauline gel liner, and I'm just going to line my waterline. So to spice up the eye look again, I'll use my Karité matte eyeliner, and I'm just going to give myself a small nice wingy eyeliner. So this eyeliner is very perfect for beginners. The head is sharp, tiny and soft, so it makes the drawing process very easy and it just goes straight, like all your lines are straight. Guys, are you feeling these eyes? Are you guys feeling this? Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. So next thing I'm going to do is I finish the rest of my face off camera, because this video I wanted it to just be for eyeshadow. I'm going into my concealer brush and I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer under my waterline. Then I'll go into all the colors that I use on my eyes to smudge under my eyes. I use my concealer under my waterline, just because I wanted the colors that I placed there to, you know, pop more and look more pigmented. Then I went ahead to dust off the excess powder that I have on my eyes. Then next I'll use my Blossom highlighter to just highlight my inner tear duct, my brow bone area, and practically wear my lashes, wear my wig. And I think that is it for this eyeshadow tutorial. It's quite easy and you can do it, girl. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.
And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows